Governor Landry signs bills he says will bring car insurance rates down.
Sabrina Wilson shares what they entail. Sabrina.
With state lawmakers at his back, one of the bills Governor Landry signed into law was HB 148, which gives the insurance commissioner more authority to reject excessive insurance rates.
It is the insurance department's job to protect you.
Another will require people who sue over injuries in a vehicle accident to show that the injuries actually stem from the accident.
Today, in those bills, we go after frivolous lawsuits.
The thing you've got to slow down is we had 60-something thousand auto wrecks with bodily injury, and our neighboring states have half that with more population.
Another bill targets uninsured drivers who file suit.
Uninsured motorists should not be allowed to reap huge rewards on lawsuits.
Asked the governor what he thinks realistically will be the impact of the insurance reforms.
You know, it's an interesting question. I know that there were several attempts, which were interesting, to put on mandated discounts based upon the reforms.
He then referred to an insurance industry specific report saying industry statistical data place amounts they believe will drive premiums down based upon a specific tort reform action. Is there a ballpark percentage that they will drop?
Look, I mean, if I look at right here, it's 6.5, 7. I mean, it should be at least 10%. I mean, some of these things have measurable savings, small savings, some 2%, 5%, 1%, 0.1%. Look, I think that we will watch.
Insurance companies, obviously, they don't ever guarantee anything. They've said in the past, as it relates to homeowners insurance, and we've done some changes there, and we're still waiting for rates to go down. But, I mean, we're going to continue to put pressure on them to lower rates.
I don't know if there's anybody that can say this bill does this percent. I think that's an impossible question to answer.
Now, as part of insurance reform, the governor also wants state lawmakers to pass legislation this session dealing with attorney advertising. But so far, that hasn't happened.
And the issue we've had in the past with advertising is I believe the Attorney General said it's, free speech. It's unconstitutional bill. So I think we have to work on that.
I was only there to support one bill. That's HB 148 by Representative Wiley. The reason I supported that bill is because it gives the insurance commissioner more authority to deem rates to be excessive. None of them, I believe, are going to lead to lower auto insurance rates. We tried to bring amendments on the Senate floor that would guarantee a rate reduction. They all opposed them, which, again, makes no sense to me.
Time is winding down on the legislative session. It must end by 6 p.m. on June 12th. Lauren?